Get the fuck away from me, bitch.
Fuck you. Here it comes.
If you put one more, I clip it for you for the admins, buddy. No worries.
Don't worry, I clipped you.
No, I fucking spawned that helicopter and I fucking tried to move it on the to repair it, you fucking dumbass bitch, nigga.